try to get used to my new haircut. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple look with my salwar kameez as usual because I have a video to make, so I'm going to keep it simple and hope you try it. These contact lenses are called Dusky Brown by Aquacolor. I like it because it's natural and it really goes with Indian skin tones. I always use a lip balm before makeup. Also, I've done my skin routine. I've used the Ashwagandha Bounce Moisturizer by 82E and the Turmeric Shield Sunscreen. All these I've already done after my shower. So now I'm going to just get in with a primer, which is like a serum based primer because I have very dry skin, and then we'll straight get into the makeup. I'm going to use the MAC Hyper Real Serum. This is also a very good primer. Sometimes if you're using liquid foundation, you can mix it with this. But I will not be using liquid foundation. I will stick to my powder foundation. Never do makeup on dry skin because the results will not be good. And a lot of people were asking me, how do I use a cream blush on top of powder foundation? Well, that's because none of it is layered, and because the way I moisturize my face, everything will glide on easily. I'll straight go in with my concealer. I repeat products because that's normal. I say keep using the products that suit you till the time you find something better, because people are always making sales and we tend to get greedy. I sure do. So I'm going to control myself and I'm going to request you guys to do the same. This is the PAC 219 concealer brush, and this is a setting spray by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use this to blend my concealer. Now, if you need to do color correction on your face, you do that. If you have a lot of dark circles, then use an orange and then use your concealer as an orange corrector. Now I'll just take my powder foundation and use it wherever required. No need to layer the whole face. I'm going to use the Huda New Nude palette. Again, this is full of nice earthy neutral colors and has some glitter. I'm going to use this shade. A very neutral shade. Take any neutral shade that you like. And this is the PAC 204 brush. Start with your crease line so that you know where to end the eyeshadow. So take it till your crease line and go higher if you have hooded eyes. And whatever's left on your brush, just bring it low. I'm a big fan of simple, elegant makeup. I even like dressing that way. So if you like that, then this is the channel for you. Now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and a flat smudge brush that looks like this. This one is discontinued. This is by MAC, but just follow the shape and get a flat smudge brush. I'm going to line my eyes with this because I find it easier to line with these compared to a liquid eyeliner. I'm going to just line this, and how thick you want it is really up to you. This is a good black eyeshadow by Miss Claire, and it stays. I have some major construction going on for months outside my house. So that's why I've been dubbing the videos. But I really wanted to talk today, so please bear with me. I'm going to go straight in with my mascara. So my eye makeup is done. I'm going to just set my eyebrows. I'm going to use a nude lip liner to fill out and line my lips. This is why I use the lip balm, so it won't dry. I'm going to use a very neutral lipstick, so I'm going to line my lips with my favorite lip liner, that is Plum by MAC. It goes with most lipsticks. You could also leave the lipstick like this, it looks nice. It's just lip liners. You could use a lipstick on this, you could use a gloss on this. This is the base. I'm going to use this shade. I want a little bit of a pinkish feel. I'm going to take a black coal and just put a little bit on the outer part of my waterline. Use any black coal. I like this pencil because it's nude on one side and black on one. But like I said, just use any black coal. Just a little bit. Gives a little bit of a definition to the eyes. I'm going to use this blush by Huda Beauty. Now if you use it in this angle, then it gives your face a nice lift. You don't need to contour also. And see, my blush is gliding on smoothly because of the way I prepped my face and kept the foundation less, even if it was the powder foundation. Now just take your powder foundation and use it wherever required, like under your eyes, some on the forehead, around your lips. So my makeup is done. Let's set it first. I'll use a bindi. For me, an Indian look is incomplete without a bindi. So I'm going to set my hair and then I'll take some pictures.